welcome to the episode 1 of series Sangimar. So today we'll be talking about what is exactly Sangimar. Sangimar start हुआ था in 2024 as a clothing brand.
It's okay.
So we are just newcomers in why we are explaining कि संगमर क्या है.
This getup is inspired from Burqa Avengers.
Yeah, we are a little conscious. We're not used to of such pull-ups. So we are trying to build this brand in clothing industry of Pakistan right now. So हमें लगा कि there's this gap, ठीक है, between us, like our brand, and our customers, that is you. So that's why we are trying कि हम maximum कोशिश करें आप तक इसको reach out करवाने की. So here we are. Today इस episode में actually we are trying to make you understand कि संगमर है क्या.
What is Sangimar?
Yes. So basically संगमर एक clothing brand है, Korean inspired clothing brand, जो कि हम पाकिस्तान में फिट इन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. We got inspired कि उनकी clothing sense, the way they pull off their clothes without even showing off their body.
Modesty.
Yeah, so we began to make Sangimar clothing brand, a K-fashion clothing brand with 3 M's. That is modesty, modernism, and
one eternity later.
Yeah, so we are trying to bridge in like 3 M's, that is modesty, modernism, and minimalism in our clothes. You can go visit our website if you want to have a look at what we are actually making, and or you can just go and scroll our Instagram, sangimar.sm. Right now, जैसे नाम है Sangimar, so generally people assume that it's a Eastern brand, but it's not an Eastern brand. It's basically a fusion, to be very honest. It's not even Eastern, it's not a Western, it's a fusion of both. उसका outlook ऐसा है that it's a Western look देता है वो, लेकिन
when you wear it you feel comfortable, मतलब
you can style it in any way.
In any way.
हमने उसको शुरू इसलिए किया that we are not bound कि हमने उसको western look ही देना है, that मतलब बिल्कुल ही modern tone में. So जो 3 M's हैं, we are quite fond of them, और हम उसको अपनी clothes के अंदर implement कर रहे हैं.
And we have designed it in a way कि हम खुद भी उसको पहन सकें. As a hijabi I can wear it, and as a modern lady she can wear it. So it's like that कि हमने जो कपड़े डिजाइन किए वो हम खुद भी पहनना चाहेंगे, वो इस तरह के हैं.
Yes, and honestly speaking, हम जब भी कपड़े डिजाइन करते हैं, हम trust me, we wear it ourselves. हम पहले उसको अपने ऊपर
रख के सोचते हैं कि हम पहनेंगे तो are we comfortable. हमें ये तो नहीं है कि यहाँ से टाइट है, यहाँ से दिख रहा है, ये अच्छा नहीं है, या मतलब
we
something
want
is
to
showing off.
we actually want to bridge that gap जो ईस्टर्न और वेस्टर्न का है. एंड क्योंकि
and modernism and modesty जरूरी नहीं है कि जी अगर आपने वेस्टर्न पहनना है तो वेस्टर्न इज दैट टिपिकल कल्चर के यार छोटी शर्टें टाइट एंड वो नहीं. जरूरी नहीं.
So ये हमारा basically concept था when we say कि it's a K-fashion brand. So there's this thing कि उनके culture के अंदर they try to wear this modest clothes in a very nice way, ठीक है ना, although they're not Muslims or anyhow जो भी उनका background है, but they carry it very well. और हमें सबसे ज़्यादा problem भी इसलिए आता है because they have this certain body structure जो कि पाकिस्तान में कहीं भी मतलब नहीं देखा जाता.
But to be honest, if you are talking about body structure, so I would like to tell you guys कि we have designed a outfit like for an extra small body and same that designed for an double XL body. So जब आप बात करते हो body types की and everything like that, so if you come to Sangimar, यहाँ पे ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है कि वो अगर एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल नहीं पहने तो वो डबल एक्सेल नहीं पहन सकते.
So जो हमारी मॉडल है, she is a double extra small, okay,
और extra
small, उसको extra small भी like she's very sleek and she's mashallah she's very pretty, but she was a double XL.
You're talking about Farheen?
Yes. Okay.
So she's an influencer. The videos on the Instagram. She take the name.
I know, but I don't know. I'm not sure. But uska she wore it so well.
Pulled out. we will use
she
our
stand
hold
out actually. उसने बहुत अच्छे से carry किया. I mean, and it's always up to you that how do you want to carry it. Okay, so हम यहाँ बैठे हैं to make it happen. Well, the story is not over yet.
Wait for episode 2.
Till then, stay tuned. Bye.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.
And do watch it. You love it.